Wow. I love that horn. I don't know. This light could be a green over red, clear, or it could be a red over a yellow over red. Diverge approach. Or it could be a yellow over red approach. So I don't know. We'll see about it. This will determine whether or not the train speed and movements. If it comes on the siding track, or if it comes on the main track. Yeah, I think the train's slowing down. I think this is a diverge approach. I think I'm gonna cut the video just for now until we see it. Yeah. Yeah, I hear it. Long, long, short, long. I hear it. Noisy motorcycles. I can't even hear the train horn. I don't know why they have their bikes that loud. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm hearing the train come around the corner. The long, long, short, long, warning horn pattern. Oh yeah, train's going slow. It's going to be taking siding here soon. Yeah, it's got to be a diverge approach. Yep, it is. Look, train's going on the track from the main track to the siding track, track 2. She's going to the track 2, and she's carrying pipes. Yeah, she's carrying some pipes. I love her cargo. She's carrying pipes. Watch out. Train crossing warning signals are going to go off any second now. Wow, listen to that horsepower. Listen to that turbo. Yep, honk, honk. That's kind of a warning noise. Got to be making some noise. Oh, there they go. Yep. Gate's coming down to close off the road. There she is. Look at that. She's carrying pipes. Look at that. She's carrying pipes. And then she's ringing the bell. Yep. Wow, look at that. She's carrying pipes. Cool. I think those are big sewer pipes. Wow, that was awesome. Cool. We gotta stop now. This is a long train. Yeah, take a look at this one there of Timbo. Oh, we got us one coming up. A DPU, all right. A middle locomotive. Look at that, brand new railroad ties. Gonna be making a lot of tracks. DPU, all right. Of center beam rails. All those are center beam rails. Tank cars, hopper cars, gondolas, all the box cars. We got them all here. This is a mixed freight train. This train's taking siding. It's going to be waiting for another train to pass. Waiting for a sister train to pass. Railroad crossing. Treat that as a yield sign. Always expect the train. Yield to the train. Wow, look at that. It's a surprisingly small train that are normally the ones that are longer. Some of those trains are longer than others. But this one happens to be a short train compared to the ones that I've seen. There we go. What there goes like, I think that's called like a gooseneck car. Yeah, it's those weird, funny looking ones. I'm not sure. I know that my buddy Tim would know, because my friend would know. He's a locomotive engineer for CSX, so he would know, I believe. Well, he works on the railroad, so yeah. And there goes the end of the train. There's the fret, the front rear end device, the flashing red light up on the back. Gates go back up, and then now the road's clear. Alrighty, now that light down there turned to a green, so we're gonna have a high green. So now we're gonna be seeing the other train soon. It took about almost a 7-minute video. It almost took a 7-minute video. Look at there. You see down there, if you could see it, that's a green over a red light. On that block segment, that train traffic light, we got it clear. The other one was a Diverge Approach. Red over yellow over red. All right. This train took siding, so now we're going to be waiting for the other one to come by. Nice. Stand by.